Hey everyone, I am Trisha and I will be showing you my Valentine's Day look for this year. Let's get started! For the first product, I will be using Fit Me foundation. It is a liquid one and I will be putting it at the back of my hand and use my index finger to put on my face and on my neck. I will be using a brush for this tutorial and I will be very gentle on the eye area since it is very delicate. For the next product, I will be using an aloe vera gel from Nature Republic. I will only put the minimal amount because this is supposed to be the first product, but I literally forgot while I was doing this video. Next product, Vaseline. I will put it on my lips, and don't worry, I will also remove this later. Next product, Fit Me Concealer in the shade 25 Medium. I will only put concealer on the areas where I don't want my pimples or blemishes to be seen, and I will also use a brush for this one. For the next product, I will use Mary Kay or Mary Kay powder foundation in the shade Ivory 2, and I will also use a brush, big brush for this one, and I will bake it but not too cakey. Next is contour. I will use Pop by Sarah Geronimo. This is from my mom. I just borrowed it, guys, and don't freak out about my contour because I will still blend it later. Next part is for my eyebrows. I will use O2O's brow soap for this one, and I think I got it for less than 100 and it's so nice. However, the spoolie is a bit small for me and it's kind of flexible, if that's what you called it. Next part is for my eyebrows. I will use this Uncover by Ever Belena and use this brown shade. For this next palette, I will use O2O and in the shade Sandy and Grit. I will use this brush to blend all my eyeshadow products that I put. Next is eyeliner from Focallure. I will just do this trick. this big brush to blend all my powder and contour on my face. Next product is for my cheeks. I will use this Focallure in the shade BO6 Charisma, and I will just put a little amount since the highlight of this makeup is really the lipstick one. Next is highlighter. This is from Sephora in the shade 01 Dusk. I almost forgot to curl my lashes, so here I am doing it. Next is mascara. This is from Maybelline and this one is waterproof. Last product to complete this look is this Maybelline Super Stay Matte Ink in the shade 295. And what I like about this lipstick is that it is transfer proof, and when I applied the second layer, the color is a very red, which I like.